Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hucks World, and today we got a couple of watch faces by Bruno Prado. It's not a bad look at all. The name of the watch face is called Vortex Watch Face Themeable. Now this one is nice. Now in Always On mode, you're going to get this blue look with a black background. Not a bad look at all. You'll be able to get all your info at a glance with no problem. And when the watch face is turned on, you got a different color. You got a unique look to this watch face. You're going to get the same look as you did in the Always On mode. And it is inactive. If I tap right here, I can go in and get my weather. I got my info for my day and my date. Also got my digital time, info on battery, step info, and it is inactive. So if I need to go deeper into getting my stats, I can with no problem. Here, look like you get a music player. If I could tap on it precisely, and that's not bad. I love my music player. Information on your heart rate, floors climb. You get your settings. You can make a phone call. Very, very convenient. And if I double tap, I can customize the color to whatever color I like for the most part. I just keep tapping till I get to the one that I like the most, right? And it has quite a few in all that you should check out. So this just gives you an idea what you're in for when you download this watch face. All right, you all, that's watch face number 1. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now watch face number 2 is nice as well. It's called Vortex Watch Face Animated. Now this is pretty much the same as the first one. It's going to look the same way and always on mode, but if you want a different type of look, then this is the one you want to go for. You can see the animation going on in the background. You get the same look. So if you want to tap on your weather, you can. It is inactive that way, but you will not be able to change the color, get battery info, steps, floors climbed, a heart rate, and you still get your shortcuts for your settings and your phone call. All right, you all, what do you think? Number 1 or watch face number 2? All right, you all, you know to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.